Hi guys, today I will show you how to add website shortcut icon to home screen on your Xiaomi Poco M4. Firstly, you must choose the web which you want to add to our home screen. In my case, it will be HardReset.Info. And to do that, now we must press there on the three dots on the right corner and navigate to home screen, add to home screen. After that we can choose name of our shortcut icon and confirm by add. And that's all. We have our shortcut icon on our home screen. Thanks for watching. Bye.